Question number 2 from exercise 9b. Ethan can blow 15 balloons in 20 minutes. John Y can blow 18 balloons in 25 minutes. And Vishal can blow 16 balloons in 21 minutes. Assuming that all balloons are blown to the same size. Now let's find who can blow balloons at the fastest rate. Now we know that time taken for Ethan to blow 15 balloons, we have given 20 minutes. First of all, we will find the time taken for Ethan to blow one balloon. This can be calculated by dividing this 20 by 15. Now 20 and 15 both are the multiples of 5, which means 5 times 4 20 and 5 times 3 15. And further, if we divide this 4 by 3, we get the quotient 1.33 minutes, which is the required time for Ethan to blow one balloon. Same as we will find the time taken for John Y to blow one balloon. But before this, we know that time taken for John Y to blow 18 balloons, we have given 25 minutes. Let's find the time taken for John Y to blow one balloon. Now this can be obtained by dividing 25 and 18. If we divide this 25 by 18, we get the quotient 1.38 minutes, which is the required time for John Y to blow one balloon. Now let's find the time taken for Vishal to blow 16 balloons. We have given 21 minutes. We will find the time taken for Vishal to blow one balloon. This can be obtained by dividing 21 and 16. If we divide this 21 by 16, we get the quotient 1.31 minutes, which is the required time taken for Vishal to blow one balloon. Now let's see. First of all, Ethan takes 1.33 minutes to blow one balloon. Excuse me. And then John Y takes 1.38 minutes to blow one balloon. Same as Vishal takes 1.31 minutes to blow one balloon. It means that Vishal can blow balloons at the fastest rate. So, we concluded that Vishal can blow balloons at the fastest rate. Next question from this exercise 9b. For each ornament that a worker makes, he is paid $1.15. He makes 4 ornaments every 15 minutes. Find the amount earned by the worker if he works for 3 hours. Now in this question, we have given the number of ornaments made in 15 minutes. And then the worker is paid $1.15 for each ornament he made. Now, since we know that 3 hours means 180 minutes. And the number of ornaments made in 15 minutes are 4, which is given in the question. So let's find the number of ornaments made in 3 hours. Now 3 hours mean 180 minutes. So we will find the number of ornaments made in 180 minutes. This number of ornaments can be found by 180, which is the total time taken, divided by 15, which is the number of ornaments made, which is the time taken to make 4 ornaments. So if we divide this 180 by 15, or we know that 180 or 15 both are the multiples of 5, so we can divide this numerator and denominator by 5. Now if we divide this 180 by 5, we get the quotient 36. Same as if we divide this 15 by 5, then we know that 5 times 3 15 multiplied by 4. Again 36 is the multiple of 3, which means 3 times 12 equals to 36. Finally, let's take the product of 12 and 4. 12 times 4, 48. Now 48 is the total number of ornaments made in 3 hours. So we have calculated the number of ornaments first of all a worker makes in 3 hours. Now let's find the amount earned by the worker if he works for 3 hours. This can be calculated by multiplying this 48 by 1.15, which is the amount earned by the worker if he makes one ornament. So let's take the product of 48 and $1.15, which is equal to $55.2. Now $55.2 is the amount earned by the worker for 48 ornaments. Next, question number 4 from exercise 9b. Michael has to pay $39 for 650 minutes of outgoing calls made using his handphone. Find the amount he is charged for each minute of outgoing calls. And then in the second part of this question, we have to find the amount he has to pay if he makes 460 minutes of outgoing calls. Now we will start from this data given in the question, and then that is amount paid for 650 minutes outgoing calls. And we have given $39. Now let's find the amount paid for 1 minute. This can be calculated by dividing $39 and 650 minutes. If we divide these two quantities, we get the quotient $0.06. Now $0.06 is the amount paid for each minute. Now let's solve the second part of the question, the amount he has to pay if he makes 460 minutes of outgoing calls. Now it's easy to find since we know that the amount paid for 1 minute call is $0.06. If we multiply this $0.06 by 460, we can find the amount he has to pay for 460 minutes of outgoing calls. Let's do it. Amount paid for 460 minutes outgoing calls equals to 460, which is the total time, multiplied by 0.06, which is the amount paid for 1 minute. If you multiply these two quantities, we get the product $27.60, which is the total amount paid for 460 minutes outgoing calls. That's it for today.